GMT basically rose 36.35% in 7 days. Or so they sort of thought. Bull controlled GMT's sort of current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is floating at $346,717,663, which basically is very critical. Current STEPN cost in every practical sense is $0.29 for August 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually, especially got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is momentary cost expectation for STEPN? Certainly is GMT an excellent speculation, which generally is genuinely critical. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally shows that stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which by and large is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, really let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148, or so they especially thought. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $29,024,660,437. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. Which essentially is genuinely huge, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours. Or so they for the most part thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time span, or so they in a real sense thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.01, and as of now exchanging at 66 cents, which explicitly shows that bull-controlled GMT's exceptionally current cost activities, or so they thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly shows what really brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for present moment. Genuinely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, which essentially is very critical. As of now, a kind of broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which certainly is genuinely critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become essentially more especially dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers by and large become move kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN. GMT STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN. GMT fundamentally is at 29 cents. Up 25.02% in the especially beyond 24 hours and essentially has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week, or so they in every practical sense thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, showing that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers, for the most part, become commonly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a very significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,104,192,453 by and large are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, showing how really current STEPN cost especially is $0.29 for August 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a very wise speculation, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN value examination GMT cost investigation for 04 August 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that market examination over the all things considered, last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,169,279,238,148, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to truly examine the future development of the STEPN.THE extremely relative strength record. RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 37. Genuinely further appearance how GMT in a real sense rose 36.35% in 7 days, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, while GMT's Williams % R pointer truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal sort of is entirely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows what really brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, or so they in every practical sense thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, which especially is genuinely huge. STEPN financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram,